controversial artist Chris Brown has arrived in South Africa against all odds. Well, rather against the Women for Change petition that was launched by the Women for Change organization, who really demanded South Africans to boycott the Chris Brown concert after Chris Brown's concert was sold out within 2 hours. You know, that was record breaking. And if you don't believe me, ask Benner Boy, because he had to cancel his show. But you know what? It is clear. However, it is clear tickets were not only bought by South Africans, but anyone with a passport and access to South Africa. And that is and also a huge fan of Chris Brown. Okay. Now, then the story takes an interesting turn. The petition highlights that South Africa remains in the grip of a devastating GBV crisis, and Chris Brown himself has a long history of violence against women, starting, documentedly known with Rihanna and after that, which is deeply troubling. But ticket holders are saying, not my monkey and not my circus. But do you know when it actually stands out? When in the Government of National Unity, the Minister of Sport, Arts and Culture, Gayton Mckenzie, shares he is actually giving away tickets to the Chris Brown concert. But you know what? So that there's no backlash and this doesn't end up being a GBV against GNU situationship. What? He sweetens the deal, and he adds as well that he will also be giving away tickets to Makadzie's one-woman show that is going to be held later in December. So the Women for Change petition appealed to the Department of Sport, Arts and Culture, as they are responsible for upholding South Africa's values of equality, accountability and non-violence. The Women for Change claims that Gayton Mckenzie's public support for the event sends a harmful message, prioritizing entertainment and profits over justice and undermining the fight against GBV. Unfortunately, or should I say fortunately, depending on which end of the spectrum you're on, Chris Brown is here, okay? He is not banned from South Africa, and he will profit from this weekend from his concert. However, it is also important to add that the same Chris Brown sampled a South African female teenager's voice and forever changed her life by sampling her sound in one of his tracks, forever changing this matriculant's life. Now I'm wondering, will she be opening up for Chris Brown? We'll be watching that story closely and we'll let you know. Also, Gayton Mckenzie, I've mentioned this already before, but I want to mention it just in case, this is something that is of interest to you. Gayton Mckenzie is giving away tickets on social media to both Makadzi and Chris Brown shows. But there is a but. Okay, terms and conditions for this offer are he's only giving away tickets to people who cannot afford them. To me, that is highly interesting. How will he determine this? And how will the ticket winners be held accountable to the fact that they can't afford it? How will they, if they can't afford it, should they not be spending the money on something else? Should Gayton Mckenzie not be helping them out on something else that will help? You know what? Not my monkey and not my circus. We're not here trying to tell Gayton Mckenzie how to spend his personal funds. But this is an interesting situation he has put himself in, because he is the Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture, therefore elected Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture. So should he be involving himself on a personal level and putting his personal decisions in the entertainment space, the very space where he is the minister? And there is so much controversy surrounding around this. You know what? I will definitely be keeping a close eye on this, and I will let you know as this is a developing story. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Also, do you have tickets to the Chris Brown show? There are some people who are now selling their tickets to the Chris Brown show. Women for Change seems to be of the view that it's because they've changed their mind. But my thought process is, are they selling them at the price they bought them, or are they selling them for profit? And therefore, this is a profit grab. But you know what? Let's gather in the comment section. Let's talk about it and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. I'll definitely catch you on my next upload. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Because that absolutely brings me joy as well, okay? Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on my next upload.